Imagine you're sitting at your desk, surrounded by receipts. Piles and piles of receipts. You've just returned from a business trip and you're dreading the task of manually entering all of these expenses into your expense report. Now, imagine a world where you could simply snap a photo of your receipts and let a magical app do all the work for you. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Today, we're going to be exploring the Expensify app. Is it really as amazing as it sounds? Let's find out. Expensify is a cloud-based expense management software that makes it easy for businesses and individuals to track, manage, and report their expenses. It's designed to simplify the expense reporting process and save time and money. Key features of Expensify. Expense scanning. Simply snap a photo of your receipt and Expensify will automatically extract the relevant information, such as the date, merchant, amount, and category. Mileage tracking. Automatically track your mileage based on your location data. Per diem rates. Calculate per diem rates based on your location and travel dates. Expense reports. Create and submit expense reports in minutes. Corporate card integration. Integrate with your corporate credit card to automatically import transactions. Mobile app. Expensify is available as a mobile app, so you can track your expenses on the go. How does Expensify work? Create an account. Sign up for a free Expensify account. Upload receipts. Take a photo of your receipts or upload them from your computer. Review and edit. Expensify will automatically extract the relevant information from your receipts. You can review and edit the information as needed. Add other expenses, such as mileage or per diem, to your report. Submit report. Submit your expense report to your approver. Benefits of using Expensify. Save time. Expensify can save you hours of time by automating the expense reporting process. Reduce errors. Expensify can help to reduce errors in your expense reports by automatically extracting information from receipts. Improve efficiency. Expensify can help to improve your business's efficiency by streamlining the expense management process. Increase employee satisfaction. Expensify can help to increase employee satisfaction by making the expense reporting process less stressful. Is Expensify right for you? Expensify is a great tool for businesses and individuals of all sizes. If you're looking for a way to simplify the expense reporting process and save time and money, Expensify is definitely worth considering. So, is there an Expensify app? Yes, there is. And it's a pretty amazing one at that. If you're tired of spending hours manually entering your expenses into your expense reports, Expensify is definitely worth checking out. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.